Hello, this is Anthony from the Shenzhen Getron Company Limited. Our company is focused on outdoor LED display, and it is the first company that involved in aluminum LED module display. You can see this is our LED module, right? It is different with the common products. It is take use with of the aluminum shell, but others only use the plastic module. So it's totally different. For our products, the heat dissipation is much better than others. And also, the waterproof level is above IP68. So it is no problem to using for outdoor. Also, we can give our clients this 5 years warranty for the module. If you have the interest, please come to visit our stand. Our stand number is 8C455. Thank you.